Today I wanted to walk you through the steps of setting up your Viral StreamShare on the Switchboard platform. Log into your admin panel, go to social streaming, click the button, it brings you here, it will automatically log you in, and then go to Viral StreamShare, click on the pencil, and then this is the link that you want to share with your members and attenders to authorize the share of their social accounts. So I am going to launch that and show you how that works. It's very simple, very quick. I am going to reauthorize Facebook. I've done it a few times in testing. This is logging into a personal profile. Again, this is your members and your attenders who are sharing access to their newsfeed. Click on my profile, and that's it. Now I'll go over here and close out of this, and you'll see now it added my personal Facebook to Viral StreamShare. Now it will stream, and many of my friends who I'm friends with on Facebook will see that sermon video on the weekend. Now back to this piece, I want to make sure you see that you can add a title and a description to your weekend sermons, so that when they're published out in front of other folks, there's some kind of descriptive to it instead of just Michael was live. So you have options there. There's also advanced options under templates that you can learn about in the basic Switchboard how-to video. So we're here, we're authorized on the weekend. I'm gonna go launch the encoder, which I have running right now. I'm streaming to this page, and then once I see that video live, I'm gonna go turn everything on. You may want to not use auto start for the Viral StreamShare access that you have if you decide you don't want to stream music to everyone's Facebook wall. If it's licensed music, there's a high chance that they're going to get a warning from Facebook saying, hey, you streamed some licensed content, we can't allow that, and then they won't show that content to other people, which kind of defeats the purpose. So we can't fix that with YouTube or Facebook. We just know that we're going to give you that warning, and you may want to wait until music is over before you turn this on. Adding others, again, I'll walk through this process one more time. I'm going to click. I'm going to open up that share link, and this time I'm going to click and act as if I'm authorizing I'm going to click as if I'm authorizing my YouTube channel, and I'll authorize that momentarily. And I will add our YouTube channel and then click allow. Okay, so here's another piece. Your end user, your members and or attenders can take the link and they can delete access to their page. They just by clicking the three dots after they put the link in, they can click the three dots and delete any access that they have shared with your ministry. And then you have the same ability over here. You can see that the YouTube channel that I added is here. So let's say I wanted to remove that authorization, or the member wanted me to remove that authorization. I would just come right over here and hit the X, and ta-da, it's gone. Simple, fast, easy to manage. That is Viral StreamShare, and the power is tremendous to reach a lot of people and grow your ministry like never before. This has been Mike with StreamingChurch.tv. Thank you for using StreamingChurch.tv for all your streaming needs.